By now you should have cut out your different pieces, your two fins, your air scoop, and the body. Couple of things. This is why we looked at the multi-view sketching, why you had those practice drawings, is we're going to have to assemble this. And remember, the dotted lines mean that it is folded. Couple tips that I'm going to give you in here about folding. So we'll start with the body. The body, we know, should have these two. These are 3-inch flaps because they were our solid lines. Tip I picked up is use your pen or the mechanical pencil that does not have the lead in it or the lead pushed down. And what you're going to do is you are going to use your ruler and you are going to trace those dotted lines with pen because it's going to make a scored or straight edge. And it's going to make your life a lot easier to fold. Don't worry that you want to make them a solid line though, because it's going to make it easier to fold. And you can go over it a time or two if you want. But it's going to create like an indent in there. So go ahead and on all of your dotted lines, go ahead and you trace over it with your pen and your ruler. Remember, make sure you're double checking these. Don't rush on it. It'll make your life easier for folding. However, if you rush on it, then it might make your life a lot harder for folding because it's going to be more complicated. Be careful right here. Be careful right here. When we're talking about folding your the body, remember this is the only one on our drawings. This is the only one that's dotted. Do not extend it out. Do not extend it out. So by now you should have here's my drawing. We should have our two fins that didn't need to be folded. And then we've got our body and we've got our air scoop. Now with our body, one thing that you should notice is, so if we're looking at this, we need it to, it's going to end up going down if we're looking right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my ruler, and I'm going to put it on the edge right here. And then it should make it pretty decently easy to fold over. And another thing that might also be easy is taking your ruler. Remember, this 3-inch we're not doing. Take your ruler and kind of score it. So now I've got that nice crisp line. Do the same thing here. I use my ruler as a little bit of a brace. But then if I flip it over, and use it as a part, and it's going to score it. So now I've got nice, stands up pretty easily. This one is a little bit harder, so we're gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna fold it over. Notice how I use that scoring technique. It'll make your life a lot easier. And I'm going to use my ruler as an edge to help me out. So now it folds a lot easier. I don't know if you can see that. But that scoring part makes your life a lot easier. So I've got my pieces. And then one last thing that I forgot to do was this. And this is going to be our ramp. So in the end, I should have something that looks like this. These pieces should be all scored. We got this, and then our